Good morning children. Today's subject is maths. Today we are going to see the next part of lesson number 7, circle. In last period we have studied about how to draw the circle by using compass. Yes. And in that I gave some examples as a homework. I think everyone have completed your homework. Now today we are going to start the next part, that is relationship between radius and diameter. Okay, what is the relationship between radius and diameter, that we have to see today. So let's see. Now here I draw one circle. Now we have to see the relationship between radius and diameter. Now radius means what? In last period we have studied. Yes, the segment from center or in the line joining any point on circle from center. Okay, so point O is the center of circle and B is one point. Now OB. So what is OB? OB is a radius of a circle. Okay, so OB, how much it is OB? If we measure it by using scale, see, from 0 we have to measure. So this is 1, 2, 3. So how much is the OB? 3 centimeter. Means radius is how much it is? 3 centimeter. Okay, now what is diameter here? AB is a diameter. Now we have to measure how much is the AB. Okay, now by using scale only you have to measure. Now see, from 0 point we have to start. See how it is? 6 centimeter. So length AB. So this length AB, how much it is? AB 6 centimeter. AB is how much it is? 6 centimeter. Okay, so from that what we conclude here, see, this OB. OB is the radius and how much it is? 3 centimeter. And this AB is a diameter, how much it is? 6 centimeter. As we observe it carefully, this is 3 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. 3 and 6. So it is a double. OB is a 3 centimeter and what about AB? AB is a 6 centimeter. So it is a double, means twice. Yes or no? This OB is a 3 centimeter and AB diameter is a 6 centimeter. So it is a double. So what we conclude, that the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. The diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. If radius is 3 centimeter, as we observe here, if the radius is 3 centimeter, they are twice. Twice means 2 times. They are double. What is the double of 3? 3 2s are 6. So diameter is how much it is? 6 centimeter. Radius is 3 centimeter. Diameter is 6 centimeter. So the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. Okay, the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. See the again one point, all the diameter of a circle are of same length. All the diameter of a circle are of same length. If we draw the many diameter to the one circle, yes, if we draw the many diameter to the one circle, see, if we draw the many diameter to the circle, all the diameter of a circle are of same length. If the diameter, suppose this diameter of this circle is 6 centimeter, so this also 6 centimeter, this also 6 centimeter, this also 6 centimeter and this also 6 centimeter. Okay, so all the diameter of a circle are of same length. Understood everyone? Now based on that we have to solve the problem set 29. Based on that we have to solve the problem set 29. So let's start. Now see the first question. If the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, what will its diameter be? If the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, what will its diameter? Now we know the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. If radius is 5 centimeter, what will be the diameter? Yes, their double we have to write. Yes, what is the double for 5? 5 2s are 10. Yes or no? Now how to write the answer, that we have to see. Now see here, radius of a circle is 5 centimeter. Now we know the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. That sentence also we have to write. Diameter of a circle is The diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. Okay, twice means we have to multiply by 2. So the how much is the radius? 5. So twice means we have to multiply by 2. So 5 2s are 10. So diameter is 10 centimeter. Understood everyone? See, the diameter is 10 centimeter. For your better understanding, I am doing the box to the answer. Okay. So the diameter of a circle is 10 centimeter. Now let's see the next question. See the second question now. If the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, what will its radius be? Read the question properly. See here what is given. If the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, diameter is given. Okay, diameter is given. And what will its radius? And what we have to find now? Radius. In first question we have to find diameter, but in second question what we have to find? Radius. Okay, and the diameter is given and we have to find the radius. Now how to find the radius? See, diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter. Now as we know, diameter is twice the radius. Yes, diameter is twice the radius. But now diameter is given means what? Radius is half of the diameter. Radius is half of the diameter. See here. See in the diagram. See if the diameter is 6 centimeter. Here diameter is 6. And how much is the radius? 3. So half of the diameter. Yes or no? Half of the diameter is radius. Half of the diameter is radius. Half of the diameter is radius. So same thing we have to use here. Diameter is 6 centimeter. There half means how much? 3 centimeter. But one sentence we have to write, that is radius of a circle is half of the diameter. So the radius of a circle is half of the diameter. Therefore, what is the radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Radius is a 3 centimeter. Understood? Now let's see the next question. Now let's see the third question. Complete the following table by filling the blanks. Now this table you have to complete. Now see, radius is 4 centimeter. Radius is given. Now we have to find the diameter. As we know, diameter is twice the radius. Okay, diameter is twice the radius. Means what? Diameter is double of radius. If radius is 4 centimeter, so what is its double? Yes, 4 2s are 8. So how much is the diameter? 8 centimeter. Okay, how much is the diameter? 8 centimeter. So here answer is 8 centimeter. Now second one, diameter is given 16 centimeter and we have to find the radius. Diameter is given the 16 centimeter, we have to find the radius. Now we know radius is the half of the length of diameter. Radius is the half of the length of diameter. So what is the half of 16? Half of 16. Yes. So what is the half of the 16? Now see, for doing half we have to do the division. So let's see how to do the division. So see here, for doing half means we have to divide by 2. Okay, now we have to do the half of the 16. Now 16 we have to write here and divide by 2. Now everyone know the 2 table. Is it in 2 table 16 is there? Yes. On which place? 2 8s are 16. So by 8 we have to divide and minus 16. So what is the answer is 8. So half of the 16. Half of the 16 is 8. So how much is the radius? 6 centimeter. Now next one. Radius is given and we have to find the diameter. Radius is 9 centimeter. So what is diameter? Diameter is the twice. Diameter is the twice. So what is the double of 2 9? 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. So diameter is 18 centimeter. Understood? Next one. What is given? Diameter is given. Diameter is given and we have to find radius. How much is the diameter? 22 centimeter. Now for finding the radius, what we have to do? We have to do the half of the diameter. Now again how to do half? By division. Okay. Now for 22 we have to divide by 2. Okay. For 22 we have to divide by 2. Now 2 table everyone know. First digit I am going to take. Now here 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now take down these 2 again down. Now again for 2 divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. So what is the answer is 11. So how much is the radius? 11 centimeter. Understood everyone? So this table you have to draw and do this division also in your CW for your understanding. Okay. So this is all about the today's part. That is problem set 29. Everyone complete the problem set 29. All these 3 questions in your CW properly and complete the remaining problem sets also. If the remaining problem sets are incomplete, complete it properly time to time. Understood everyone? Okay. Thank you.